Welcome to the course. I'm really happy that you decided to trust me with teaching you how to build affiliate websites. Before we actually begin the course, I thought it would be best to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about what this course will cover. My name is Andy Williams and I will be your instructor for this journey. So let me start by telling you a little bit about myself. I am actually an ex-science teacher and I taught students from the age of 11 up to 18, just before university age. But since 2002, I've been earning a full-time living online, mainly by building affiliate websites, although not exclusively. I also run the website easyseonews.com and I've been teaching SEO on that site since 2003. SEO just stands for search engine optimization. It's a process of tasks that you need to complete on your website so that Google will see your website and rank it higher in the search engines. You can see there on the right, that was the very first edition of my Easy SEO newsletter. You'll notice that the domain was slightly different because in those days the domain was easysearchengineoptimization.com, but with changes in Google over the years I had to change to a shorter domain name. That newsletter was published 15th of October 2003. So I've been teaching this stuff really for coming up to 13 years. In 2004 I switched over to using WordPress for the websites that I built. And finally, I should also mention that I am an author. I have about 20 books on Amazon and you can just go and search for me by name and you'll find a whole list of the books that I have, and you can see some of the reviews that I've got up there on the screen now. I'm sure you might be thinking, why should you listen to me? Why should you let me teach you my system for building affiliate websites? I mean, you can go to Google and you can do a search and you'll find any number of people happy to take your money to teach you how to build an affiliate website. But I would like to point out a few things because I am actually a little bit different. In 2012, the rules for building affiliate websites changed, and people who didn't change with the times are now left behind and their websites are no longer ranking in Google. The websites that I've built are still there in Google and they get stronger every year. The problem was a lot of webmasters were out to try to get rich quick, and they would use any tactic they could to try to get their pages ranking in Google. Google clearly didn't like this because they wanted to rank the pages that deserved to rank at the top, not just pages that were forced to the top by webmasters finding loopholes and forcing their pages up. There were a lot of webmasters that thought that quantity over quality was important, and there was software that you could buy to auto-generate an affiliate website. The software would go out there, grab content, put together web pages that didn't really make an awful lot of sense, put on affiliate ads, and that would be the complete site. It would be totally hands-off. You could press a button and generate an affiliate website. Those websites have all gone. Compare that to the sort of website that I've been building for the last 10 years. These are handcrafted sites where I pay specific attention to detail and the systems that I've put in place. But then I've always been a little bit different. I've been focusing on a long-term strategy for building affiliate websites, and you can see here part of my newsletter from 2004. This is 12 years ago, where I talk about how to create a themed web page. A lot of webmasters back then ridiculed me and said that what I was teaching was nonsense and not necessary. But you visit those same webmasters today and assuming they've still got a web presence, they'll be using my techniques or variations on my techniques. Okay, so back in 2004, I started to do things differently. In 2005, I started talking about fat affiliate sites. This was in reference to a comment that Google made about some of the poorer affiliate sites, in which they called them thin affiliate sites because they didn't add any value. In June 2006, I released a free course to subscribers of my newsletter called Creating Fat Affiliate Sites. And then in 2007, I released some crude software to help create themed content and released the Creating Fat Content course, which was probably my best-selling course or software ever. In January 2010, that was totally updated and I released new software called Web Content Studio. I still use it today, a lot of people still use it today, but it is not essential, and the course you're about to take now will show you how to get the same sort of results without having to spend money on software to help you write great content. So let's have a look at this course then. This will start at the very beginning and I'll show you how to plan out and build a high quality website. You'll learn what Google wants and how to provide it. You'll be able to watch me as I build a real affiliate website. This isn't just a website that I'm putting together for the course that I'm going to throw away in 6 months' time. It's a website that I will carefully build and nurture, and if you come back in 6 months or a year's time, you'll probably notice that the site has changed slightly because I will be continually working on it. But every step I take on the website will be filmed, so you get to see it all. And finally, I am an active instructor on Udemy, and that means if you have any questions, I will answer them personally in the discussion area for the course. So you're not left stuck on things you don't understand. You'll get your answers straight away and can get back on the course, back on to building your affiliate website. So with the introduction done, let's get on with the course.